How to recover Pinterest password? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Pinterest application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. So in order to log in, you need to enter your email address over here, and after entering, simply go for continue. Once you continue, you'll be able to see this interface. There is a password entering section at the bottom. Since we are trying to reset the password, you need to tap on the forget password option at the button option. And after that, Pinterest will send you an email for resetting your password. You need to simply go back to your Gmail ID. And in this section, you can see Pinterest has sent me an email on resetting password. You need to simply tap on reset password option. And over here you'll be able to enter a new password. After creating, simply go for login option, and you can see the password has been changed. So this is how you reset Pinterest password. If you want to save password to Google, then you can go for save option. By doing that, from the next time whenever you try to log into your account, then you don't need to enter your email. You'll directly be logged into your account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.